Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, TechGetter. Today we discuss top 7 Excel shortcut keys. So the first shortcut key we have is Ctrl R. First of all, I type Excel here. Now if I want to fill this in the right column, then I will select the cell and press Ctrl R. You will see that Excel has been filled in the right side also. After this, the shortcut key we have is Ctrl D. If I want to do the same trick in the below row, then first I will select the cell. Then I will press Ctrl D. You will see that Excel will be filled in the below row. After this, the next shortcut key is Ctrl Shift L. If you have a table in Excel and you want to sort the data, then select the table by pressing Ctrl A. Then we will press Ctrl Shift L key. You can see that the filter button is applied on the table. If you want to remove the filter, then again press Ctrl Shift L and it will be removed again. The next shortcut key is F2. If you want to edit a cell in a list, you can click on the cell and press F2. Then this cell gets freeze, so we can easily edit any cell. The next shortcut key we have is Alt equals. This is used for auto summation. Suppose we want to add all these cells, we will press Alt +, then press Enter, and all these will be added automatically. After this, the next shortcut key is F12. Using this, you can save the file without going to the Save option. As soon as we press F12, the Save window opens. Type the name of the file here and click on the Save button. The next shortcut key is F7. You can check the spelling of any cell by using this F7 key in Excel. As soon as I press F7, the spelling dialog box opens. Here you will see your mistakes. Now you can correct it by going to Change. See you in the next video. If you like the video, then like and share it. If you are new to the channel, then subscribe. Thanks for watching the video. Have a nice day.